Good morning, family. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Please let us start and share. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Good morning. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. People on YouTube, you're welcome. Good morning, everyone. Please let us share this live stream. Let us share this live stream. People on YouTube, let's share the live stream. Let's get to 2K likes, guys. 2K likes. Then we start, okay? Happy New Week to everyone. So this trade, our weekend trade, we were able to get no profits, and I will say no actually loss here, because this particular trade was a risk low trade, which I believe everybody used 50%. So here we have our TP1. So our TP1 was here. So market hit our break even on this. So I'm going to be clearing this chart now. All right, I'm going to be clearing this. Okay. So we start the new week with a fresh. So let us clear. Let's start and share. Let's get to 2K lines. Let's get to 2K lines. Good morning, Dan Baba. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How you say?
Yeah, bless God. Happy New Week.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
May He be blessed for us.
Amen. Amen. This week is going to be good by the grace of God.
Bless of God, man. Bless of God.
by the grace of God. At the same time, we should be ready for the losses. We should all be ready for the losses. Not you actually losses, but the setbacks. We should be ready for the setbacks. Yeah, we should be ready for the setbacks. This was supposed to be our first trade on the VIP this week. Market did not tap us in. Boom! Market went all the way up. It failed to tap us in and markets went up all the way. This is supposed to be our first trade for this morning, which is all good. Was good. So let me take it out. I've already told everyone to delete this. Please let us tap and share. I've already told everyone to delete this. So let me clear all this. Let's clear. Clear. Okay, I think we're good. Clear. All right. Please let's start. People on YouTube, how are you guys doing? Good morning to you. Good morning all. I greet you specially. Family, are we ready? Let's get to 2K likes. Are we ready? Are we actually ready? Are we ready for the setbacks? Are you ready to see SLs? If you are ready, let me hear you say yes on the comment box. Okay. Let me hear you say yes on the comment box if you are ready. Yesterday, when I finished my live stream, while on YouTube, I saw the live stream Jeffrey Benson did. And I was so happy with what I saw. I love the fact that Jeffrey Benson was saying the things that I want to hear on that live stream. He did a live stream, which day? I think on Monday. But I just saw it. I just watched few things that I was unable to watch it full, but I just watched some important places there. I love the fact that he was talking about risk management. That people were all saying that maybe because they are trying to look up to him, that he's using one big lot size, blah blah blah. Trade according to your balance. When he was explaining the risk management, just exactly the way I used to say it. And I am so happy that, oh yeah. So he even realized that people, they always bash out. So anytime he engage on the trade, he's going to say it's a massive profit. He now says something. He said, yes, I am in massive profit because I know what I'm risking. I know what I'm seeing on my chart. And I'm like, yes. And why some people are actually having like $2, $3 and the rest. So when he took one trade on gold, so the trade went well. Okay. So he was saying that everybody should share his wins, the running trades. Some shows $5, $10, $100, $500, $1K, and the rest like that. So he was seeing all those small dollars. He was like, hey, you see. So I was so happy because he cleared the air to let people understand that risk management matters, that they should be taking it gradually. You ask more account, it's not that maybe you go just knock and one lot size, trying to get people. I'm like, yeah, this is what I'll be saying all this while. And I'm so happy that he actually said it on his live stream. And guess what? He was doing something that I love. On his VIP, he said he's doing this thing now. Maybe if they do well for the week, and if they didn't do well for the week, he's carrying them along. I'm like, very well. This is what I want. These guys are not doing it before. That is how it's supposed to be. You join the VIP, you should be able to let them know, okay, this week we had a loss. We had this, carry them along, let them know. Telling them to do, okay, tighten your SL and stuff like that. I'm so amazed with what I see. And that is what everyone's supposed to be doing. I mean, the professional traders. So that people will not just think that you guys just get there, maybe by a mistake or something. They work hard. They follow the process, the normal risk management. That's what this guy does. So anything is risky now, is risking according to their balance. They are trading according to their balance. So don't go and do copy. You do copy. See, Forex go, why are you? So let's get ready for this week. Hopefully, it's actually going to be good. But have it in mind, it might be very bad. Aha. And I love the fact that he even said it, that this trade that they took, it's just that it happened immediately. They engaged, market immediately went to their favor. So many times that on his live stream, market will go against him, and people go to bash him, they go to talk to him, they go to do this, they go to do that. That now nobody is giving any negative words. I'm just like saying, yes, that's what people do. You make losses, they want to bash you. You make profits, they go to hate you. But for people that understand Forex, will not actually bash you. Let's go ahead, guys. Good morning to you. And this is new week. So I hope this week is going to be a good one. Okay? I hope. But anything you are risking, make sure you risk properly. God bless you. Somebody said, I have $2, though I'm ready. God is going to help you, my brother. That is the only thing I'm going to say. You don't know, say maybe me say get, maybe na $1 me to get. More than one myself like that. Please let us stop and share. Okay. Please let's stop. Which one are we starting with? I have interest in this V50. And let me explain this bias. Let's go to our monthly. Hey Shatizi, how are you? I'm doing well. Okay, on our monthly time frame, we all can see the market is bearish. We have a nice bearish movement here. So market is trying to do some pullbacks. So this pullback, we don't know where or how far it can actually get to. So what do we do next? We go straight to weekly. So on our weekly time frame, okay, we see the market give us this lower low, lower highs, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. Now it's trying to create another what? Higher low. Maybe we might have a higher high to the upside. Okay, maybe we might have a higher high to the upside. Okay, and if you look at this weekly support area here, we have a nice rejection from that point. After market give us that nice rejection. Hey, Mr. Oluwa, Shefumi. Good morning, sir. Okay, so from this zone, you go to your daily. Please let's tap and share. Is it daily? Yeah, daily. Okay. Markets use this area for what? For entry. All right. So market has given us a nice rejection from here. So I want to see market push up to the upside. So my bias is at least on this daily time frame, market is breaking this level. So for market to do this, I want to see market get to this, our nearest bus stop. This nearest bus stop, that is where I want to see market get to, at least to give us some kind of either a rejection to the downside or a continuation. Do you understand? But my bias is we shall look for buy to this our daily resistance level. That is what I want to see. Okay, so by doing that as well, we have this nice resistance level here. Can you see this area, which is our DR? Please let's tap and share. So from this DR, we can't hear. You can't hear, okay? Please, if you can hear me, let me hear you say yes. So,
No, no, we didn't hear now. We didn't hear now. We didn't hear you now.
Okay, you can hear me now.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Aha. Good morning, Shatizi. Bello Junior, also my brother. Good morning, everyone. And the good. SML. Hey, Shatizi, good morning. Yeah, we thank God. All right. So we have this our nice rejection here. Okay, from this daily resistance. This was the high, the low that was created, another low here, another low here. So market took all those lows out by giving us a change of character to the downside. Okay, so when market did that, right? Market created this nice inducement leg. Market created this nice inducement leg. Okay, so I want to see market reject from here for a sell. So you see that it's actually still far. Okay, so if market gets here, I want to look for sell from this point. Please let's tap and share. Daily resistance level. Let's tap, let's tap, let's tap. So this is a trailer liquidity. Okay, so that's my liquidity area there. So I want market to what keep pushing. So what I'll be waiting for around here now is if market can actually get to this point, give us a break, we wait for continuation, take a buy to this level again. After taking a buy, we have a break. I continue looking for buy to this area before I will look for what is selling opportunity to the downside. So this is on this particular trade. So now let's go to 4 hours. Let's see how we can engage for a buy. Okay, because at the moment market is doing what is giving us a nice let's see how market is going to break this level, which I believe that this area market is actually going to break it. This is daily time frame candle. So let's go to 4 hours now. Please let's tap on share. SML, what's up? So this is our 4 hours. So on 4 hours, okay, what do we have? We have a break now from this market has what broken this area to the upside. In fact, this buy that we missed here, it really paid me. I won't lie to you, because that was what I was doing yesterday evening before I sleep. Okay, hoping the market is going to tap us in, but market did not tap us in. It actually went straight up. Okay, so this is going to be our 4R, not 4S, because this candle is still printing. This particular candle is still printing. So once this one closes, it's going to close in the next 30 minutes. Then it's going to become our 4-hour support area. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour now. We are looking forward to buy this guy. So now this is our 1 hour time frame. Okay, and I love what I'm seeing here on this 1 hour. Okay, so on this 1 hour we have okay, before we go to 1 hour, let's talk about this 4 hours. Let me show you something on this 4 hours zone. So on this 4 hours, look at this support area. Market give me a nice rejection around here. So from that rejection, I want to see market give me a change of character on 1 hour, which has happened here. I have a break here and I have a break right here. So market has done what? Push to the upside, and this is a nice liquidity. So if I want to engage on this buy, I might be using this area for a what? For a continuation for a buy. This area here. I might use this area for a continuation for a buy. Okay, why is that? If you mark out your fib level, from this low to this high. That is a nice discount area around here. Just wait for market to come and give us a which is going to align with this support that market created here. Look at the way we have all these rejections. Okay, can you see that level? So that is what I want market to actually do, to come and give me a rejection here and buy to the upside. Okay, and buy to the upside. So from that zone, I'll be looking forward to buy this V50. Okay, please let us start. Let's start. Let me mark out this guy. Okay, there's no even need to mark it out. Let me see the 4 hours. Maybe we have alignment from that point. Same setup. Okay. Okay, good. Let's go to 1 hour. I have another buy set up above there, but I need to be patient with this because this guy. Let us mark out this trend line. We see the one that is aligned with the trend line. Please let's tap and share from this low. Okay, extend. All right, beautiful. Can you see that? All right. This is where I pick it from. Rejections here, rejection here, then we extend. Okay. So from here, I'll be looking forward to buy to long from this area, which is this trend line is our 1T. This is our 1T. Please let's see if market can actually get to that area. So I have another zone here. Two things is likely to happen. Okay, this support area that market created beneath this our 4-hour resistance. If this candle close in the next 26 minutes, it closes above, this 4 hour is going to become our 4S. Okay, so I have this 1 hour support here. So let me see the 15 minutes. Please let's tap and share. So this is the 15 minutes. Okay, and this was the rejection that took place. One, and I have my break to the upside, change of character. This is my liquidity, so market can actually use this area to bounce back. Okay, so we have a zone here for a buy, but do you think we can actually bank on this? This is 15 minute support here. Okay, so before I can actually bank on this, see what will happen, right? Before I can say I want to bank on this, because it's actually going to be a low risk if I'm engaging on it, is until this 4 hours close. Okay, you see this 4 hours candle is closing in the next less than 26 minutes. It's going to close. So if this particular candle close, then we'll be taking the buy from that point to the upside. We are not going to wait for market to get to this area. Do you understand? So if this one now fails, then we wait here. So we have a 2 zones for this entry. Vira, you always share this live stream. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate it. Please let us share and let us start. Let us share and let us start. So I want to see market closes this candle. If you can close bullish like this, all right, then we'll be using that 15 minutes area here to confirm a buy. All right, we use this area to confirm our buy from that zone. So my SL is going to be maybe beneath here, then we go long. Okay, then we go long. So let's see what will happen. Please let's start. So once it's 10 o'clock, please, I want you to remind me so we can come back to this V50. Are we clear? Once it's 10 o'clock, remind me, please, so that we can come back by 10. All right. So let us check another pair. Today is Monday. So we are looking forward to take our first trade for the week. Hopefully our first trade, we should expect a sell. we should expect a sell. Move to bottom. V50. Okay, that was the one we talk about now. V51S. Okay. Let's start. Okay, after V51S, it got for V251S. Okay, you see this trade, right? When I was having, okay, when I have session with one of my students, that was when we had this. That was when we had this. It was a nice move. So let us clear this and let us start afresh. Okay, let's clear everything. All right, so let us pick it from our 3-month. Please let us tap and share. If this is your first time, you're welcome. We do this every blessed day, 9 a.m. in the morning, both on YouTube and on TikTok. We live stream on. So this area is our TDMS. That is our TDMS. That is one. Okay. And another thing, we have this our nice support area here. Okay. That market give us a nice rejection from that point. So let's go straight to monthly. All right, beautiful. So on this our monthly, okay, market has done whatever it wants to do around there. And if you look at here, this was a consolidation that I said we have. We have equal highs here. We have a nice equal highs around here. Okay, can you see this level? Before we now have this break. Okay, so there's possibility that we might have what a rejection from here, and you see market push up to the upside. Okay, so where is market rejecting from at the moment? Where is it rejecting from? It's actually rejecting from this our what? This our monthly support area, which is our MS. Let me clear this and come back. V51S. I don't like the way it's slowing down. So we are back. All right. So on our monthly time frame, okay, where market is actually rejecting from at the moment is actually this area. It never load finish. What's going on now? So this our monthly support area. That is where market is rejecting from at the moment. Okay, that's where it's rejecting from at the moment. Okay, so now let's go to weekly. All right, on our weekly time frame, I'm still seeing market pushing down, maybe to this area or to this extreme. That's what I'm still seeing. So all this one way market they do is just trying to do some pullbacks. Okay, it's just trying to do some pullbacks. So market is actually reacting from this guy. Okay, look at that. This is our weekly support area. Market is rejecting from this our weekly support area. So let me reduce this one. And the candle have already closed. Come on, network, please now, complete now. Eh? This is Monday. This is Monday. I can't be using 5G and network would they do like this. That is crazy. What's a country? All right, let's continue. So now let's go to daily time frame. So on our daily, okay, look at the way market tap in around here. All right, market tap in here. When we have this our daily support rejection, market breakouts, is a liquidity, this is a zone for entry, and market has already tapped. It's already on the way to the up. Okay, it's already on the way to the moon. It's already on the way to the moon at the moment. So on this our daily, the target I'm expecting this guy to get to is actually this area. So if market should get here, as you can see, so market is actually approaching this area, which is our DR. This never load. Okay, so we expect market to, if market should break out from here, I will look for another setup for a continuation. That's what I'm going to do on this. That's for this V51s. That's for 51s. So let's go check 1s. Guys, remind me once it's 10 o'clock. My mind day for that trade. 25 1s. Adetola, good morning. I don't know what is wrong with the network this morning. Seriously, I can't. I don't even know. I don't know what's wrong with the network this morning. I'm just pissed off with networks.
Okay, sir.
Okay. How will I be doing my work, my this thing? I do that and not because say I don't mind, say family, I go don't japa. Stupid country. V25 1s. I'm not tapping. Let me change this one. It's okay now.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. I just switched network. So we want to talk about our V25, right? Okay. Let me see. What do we have anything here? Do I have anything here? All right, let us clear it. Let's pick it from the beginning. Please, let's start. Thank you. So on our 3-month time frame, all right, on our 3-month time frame, market is bullish. Okay, we see the market give us a break to the upside. All right, so from here, market is trying to do some pullbacks. That is what this guy is doing on this 3 months. He's trying to do some pullbacks. And if you look at this area, let me just mark this area out. Okay, that area is our 3 ms. The market has not actually come back to mitigate this support here. Okay, so let us just mark this one that is up here. All right, so now on our monthly time frame, this is what we have on monthly. Monthly is already giving us a kind of equal highs. It's giving us a kind of equal highs right there. Okay, it's giving us a nice equal highs, which is looking like market actually want to form what we call a M pattern. Okay, it wants to give us what we call M pattern. So what are we going to do? We're going to mark at this our resistance level. Okay, you see this is our what? Our monthly resistance, which is our MR. So for market to reject from that zone, where are we expecting market to get to? Where is the nearest bus stop? Our nearest bus stop is actually here. Okay, which is our MS. Where is MS here? Okay, which is our MS. All right, but the main thing is, if market can actually break this guy, then that means we are going to be having that M pattern. Then we just go all the way down. Okay, then we just go all the way down. So next to our weekly, beautiful. So this is weekly time frame. Okay, market give us a nice from this area we have a nice push, higher high, higher low, which is an inducement leg. Okay, higher high, market give us this. So we want to see market push all the way down, taking this guy out. Okay, and come back to use either here or the extreme, anywhere around there for a continuation. Okay, anywhere around there for a continuation. Omo, MTN na so with messages. They can use messages to kill you. Okay, so now let's push. So this is our weekly time frame. Look at all these weekly candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. About a month now, this guy has been dropping massively. Okay, about a month, this guy has been dropping massively. Okay, so do you think this guy is actually going to drop? Yeah, because this area, I'm not seeing markets holding this guy. Okay, I'm not seeing it holding that guy. So that is our weekly support actually. That's the weekly support actually. But with the way I'm seeing this market, I'm seeing it breaking it below. And according to this our weekly, all right, I think we have alignment. Okay, we're not going to be using this guy. So I will be using this our weekly support as our what? Our main target for market to come and get to. Mind you, we still want market to get to that low, right? But at least this is the nearest bus stop that I want to see this guy to get to. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the gift, my brother. I really appreciate it. Vira, thank you. Thank you. So now let's go to daily. Vira, God bless you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So this is our daily time frame. If you look at what happened on this daily, Omo, Vira, thank you. All this is the way they do now, money for data. I really appreciate it. So we have this low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. We want to see another drop to the downside to give us another what? Another lower low. So we need to follow the structure. And if you look at this, our MS that I mark, this our WS rather that I mark, you see the market has already created a lower low on daily around here. So which is a sign that market is still coming to break it. It's still coming to us to break it to start giving us our lower low to the downside, right? So now what we're going to be doing now is to mark out this zone where we have our nice rejection, this breaker block here. Look at the way we have this nice rejection from there. This is our daily resistance level, DR Congo. Okay, so from there we go to 4 hours. We are looking for sales now. We don't care about what we have on that weekly support because that zone is only giving us just a reaction. All right, so beautiful. So this is our 4 hours. Okay, on 4 hours waiting stop here. When market give us this nice high, all right, we have this low. Okay, market created another lower highs after this lower low. So I want to see market break this zone properly to give us a break from here, pull back, then we engage. It's 10, boss. It's 10. What is 10? Okay. Ah.
For the time for this thing.
I beg. No vessel. Yeah, I don't remember. I can't even say what is 10. So let us come back. We are stopping here on 4 hours, 25 1s. Let's go back to that V50. Thank you. You guys are really following up. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes. So that means the 4 hours kind of close. I like what I see. Okay, so don't worry. What I will do now is I will just put alert here. Let me create alert on this point. We'll put alert here. All right, so alert is there now. All right, so we are waiting for what? A confirmation. Number one, what is the first confirmation? 15 minutes rejection. After 15 minutes rejection, 5 minutes could have given us support, then we engage. Boom. So whenever market get there, we are going to strike. So let us be patient. So alert is there already. So let's go back to our pair that we are analyzing, which is it V25 1s? Okay. So back to our 4 hours. So now you realize the market is giving us a kind of inverse head, okay, which is this is a shoulder, the head, and another shoulder. Okay, so what we're really waiting for now is just to see a break like this, pull back, then we sell off. Okay, then we do what? We sell off. That is what I want us to do on this. So let me see 1 hour. I'm seeing something here. Let's zoom, because this confirmation, this is like this is our evening star. So we have this nice resistance level here. Okay, our market is giving me a nice rejection, which is my 4 hour. So on 1 hour time frame now, let's go. 1 hour time frame. Okay, that is rejection. This kind of trade, sometimes you might just do head and shoulder and sell. This kind of setup, we'll just do head and shoulder and sell. This in area, marking fib level from this high to this low. Okay, using this area, then sell off. But let us be patient. But I think we should just wait for market to break the low. Or this area, make market break up. So 4 hours, let me mark out the zone that I want market to break. That is going to help us. So you see this 4 hour support, market must break it. Boom. So once we have a break to the downside, we are going to engage for a sell. 4 hour break below, we are going to engage for a sell. Do you understand? So we need to be patient for this as well. So next pair, please. We're going to be doing currency pairs and currency pairs.
V100, sir.
V100.
Yes, sir.
No. We cannot do V100. V100, there will not be opportunity. The market is pushing already. Okay, so market is pushing already. So we need the one that we can actually take trade on. Look at the move. It's pushing. V101S.
Can we check GBP, GPY?
GJ. Why do you like GJ?
One of my favorite pairs.
Okay, you enjoy the spike, Abby?
Yeah.
You enjoy them? You better talk through. You enjoy the spike. I love JPY too, but because of the spikes, I need to like just say no, not now.
Actually, sometimes now, you know, they friendly action.
Okay, so guys, let's talk about this, our beautiful 10S. 10S give us a nice what? A nice high, low, higher high. So there's probability that market might come to this area like higher low, then push up. So we are looking for more sales. Okay, market is what? Supposed to reject from this our nice resistance that becomes support. But with the way I'm seeing it, I'm seeing this guy pushing lower. Why is that? Because from this our support area here, we have a nice rejection, which is our what? Don't let me to mark it. So let me go to monthly now. Please let's tap and share. On our monthly time frame, this is the high that market created before we have this rejection. This rejection, we have a higher, market took it out, and this area is what? Liquidity area, guys. Please let's tap and share. Okay, it's a liquidity area. So where I'll be looking forward to buy from is this area, this main place, guys, is where I'll be looking forward to buy if I want to buy this guy. Monthly support area, MS, where are you? All right, boom. From this area, I'm looking forward to buy from here. This is one. Okay, this leg is an inducement leg. We have this eye. So all this area, I'm not seeing market holding it. I want to see market breaking below. So we should go look for what? Sell opportunity. Let's go to weekly now. We are clear. So we know where we are going to. We know where we are going to. Okay? We know where we are going to. You know if you get lost. So now, on this our weekly time frame, waiting stop here, market has broken below this our what? Our weekly resistance. So now it's now back to the resistance. It's support before, but now it's back to what? Resistance, our WR. That area, market broke it. If market actually wants to buy, it's supposed to use that area, okay, to do some what? Buying to the upside. Okay, which this guy is what? Inducement leg, series of liquidities around there, supposed to use this area and buy, but market said no, I'm coming to what? To this area. So let us see if we can have opportunity to engage for a sell on daily. This is our daily time frame. Let's zoom and let's see a target. Let us mark out this target first. We are going to be marking a nearest target so that we go to catch and small. So this area is going to be the closest target that we're going to be using for now. Okay, on daily, boom, let us extend it. Okay, so we are looking forward to sell to this guy for now. All right, for now. So let us name it as our DS. That's our DS daily support area. because we might have some bounce from that area too. So let's go straight to 4 hours. We are looking for sell. Now on 4 hours now, okay, market give us what? A massive drop here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I want to see another lower high, then give us another lower low. So let us talk about that now. Okay, on 4 hours, waiting stop here. When market created a nice resistance level, I have my beautiful rejection here. Boom, which is my 4 hour. Okay, which is my 4 hour. So from this 4 hour, and mind you, right, this guy, market is not actually rejecting from this area. He created this nice engineer liquidity for this guy. But let us talk about waiting the sub around here, because we have a massive drop. Look at this massive drop, guys. Look at this massive drop. So let us see if we can engage for a sell around here. Then we go down. It's actually going to be aggressive entry if I want to do this now. So my 1 hour time frame, please let's tap and share. So this is our 1 hour time frame, okay? And this is where we have our nice breakout. Okay, market break from this level. Okay, market break from that level. So I'll be using this area for my entry now. Aggressive entry for this, which is going to be our 1HR. Aggressive entry on this. Are we clear on that? Aggressive entry on this one. So let me take this one out. Okay. Not be all the time I got to draw liquidity. I just want my chart to look clean. So the main thing is my entry point. So here is gonna be the entry. Boom. So somebody should help me to check this price. Let's see how volatile is gonna be. Sell around here. Let's see how volatile is gonna be, please. Who's gonna check for us? SL is gonna be here. So let me put the price so that you will know. V50. Oh, market has gotten there. Market has gotten there. SL. So somebody should check this one for us. Who is checking? Who is checking? Let me make this more deeper. $50. It's not volatile, not too volatile. And what is the price? Let me put the entry point so that you can check the price for me, please, before we go to that V50. All right, so let me to check, please. Let me to check. Woo. Who is checking? Who is checking? Who is checking? $5. Ah, okay. Let's go. 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 That is gonna be the answer right there. Okay. Let me look for the target. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go to 1 hour. So our first target is gonna be, okay. Assad, how are you, Assad? How are you doing, Assad? How are you, Assad? Okay, good. How are you, Assad?
Can't get enough of your song of the moment? Download and indulge in the tracks you love over and over again with Spotify Premium. Tune in to discover an ad-free music listening experience where you can play your favorites in any order. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right, so we're going to come back to this. This is V50, V10-1S. Okay, we are coming back to this. Let's quickly go to the V50. So market broke below right there. What a nice one that I'm seeing there. Let me see what in 5 minutes do. Okay, please let's stop. Let me check the 1 hour once more. Okay, good. Let's go back to 15 minutes. Please, let's start. Who's ready for this? This is going to be our first trade. Long position. Engage on a buy right now. Put your SL where it is. Okay, CP1 there. Put your SL where it is. There's going to be the target right there. Our first SL loading. First SL loading. CP1.
Which time frame?
15 minutes. 15 minutes. All right, let me engage. SL 896710. Okay, I will be doing my own CP later. Let me be fast so that I can post this one now. V50 ordinary. Safe. Please, let's stop. V50 ordinary. So I want to post this one now. I want to post this one right away. V50. 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 Buy now, long now. Please help me to mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. All right, so remain our free Telegram group. Please let's tap and share. Our first SL loading. First SL loading. Use 1 to 2. Close to the word. First SL loading. Okay, so I think it's being posted now on both the VIP and on our free Telegram group. So on our free Telegram group, I dropped the buyers there. So as a trader, you should know how to engage on that. So first SL loading, we are in right there. Please let's tap and share, guys. First SL loading. First SL loading. Which pair? That was V waiting. V50. So we have a running trade now. Let me bring it up here. V50 running trade now. First SL loading. First SL loading. Okay, so that's it. So if that place fails, I'm waiting for the market here, the zone that we talk about here. Okay, we wait patiently. All right, so let us expect at SL. Do not say market should go straight to TP. Tell the market to come and take us out. That's how we roll. Why this, 50. Okay, so that is that for that. So the one that I was talking about, the one that we had sell limits, which pair again? Somebody's asking the TP for this V50. This is it, sir. Can you see the price? Can you see the price?
Spotify Premium is the
Which one do we have the sell limit?
Enjoy your music fully when you play songs in any order. Download them offline in higher quality and listen to them ad-free. It's what
10 1S. 10 1S.
Okay. Now I got it too much. So now I got it too much. You like Gary like that? That is our one thing, that trend line that we have there. So let's see how market is going to respect that zone. So we have this sell limit, which I'm going to go and post right now. We have the sell limit. So I've not even done the TP1. The TP1 will be okay. We'll be using this low. V101S. Step index. Okay, V101S. Let me go and post this one first. V101S. V101S. Sure. Let's start. The Telegram group. If you haven't followed me, make sure you follow me, guys. Thank you for the follow. Trust Dixon Media. Please, all these things where they drop for the free Telegram group, please always follow the instructions. When I say use 1 to 2, don't do more than that. When I say use 1 to 4, don't do more than that. Please follow instructions. Okay.
Yes, that detail one is what happened.
Now waiting.
What time? That is the one is
1,000.
that's the limit. So I think the time is it 4 hours time or
1 hour time frame.
so 1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
Thank you.
All right. So guys, make sure you join us. We go live every blessed day. Okay, we go live every day, Monday to Friday, by 9 a.m. in the morning. Weekend is Saturday and Sunday, anytime in the afternoon. We live stream both on YouTube and TikTok, anyone that you feel comfortable with. And if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Do well to join and let us grow together as a trader. And if you want to join my VIP is $20 monthly subscription. The 2-week subscription is $10 to join. Okay. For the past 10 weeks now, we'll be having it back-to-back weeks without having a setbacks during these weeks. So all the weeks we end it up in profits. Last week most especially was a very massive one. Okay, so we go again to this week again, hoping for loss. We are hoping for SL. Our main target is that SL. I think that is the main reason why we are just going. You understand? So if you want to join the VIP, $20, 2 weeks is $10.
Let your music taste
And
shine with premium.
I have this
Instant jam with friends and share your
discount
favorite songs with the entire
mentorship
squad
class that
without
I'm
ad breaks.
having.
You can also play
A
your favorite
class
songs
for
in any
just
order with a
2-month
limited
program,
skips and
3 times in a
repeats.
week.
Tap the banner to
Group
learn
class
more.
for $50, while online one-on-one is $100 on a discount price. So that is that for that. I'll be teaching you everything I think me myself know when it comes to Forex. Okay, with the little experience I have for almost 8 years. That's the little experience I have. So with the little experience I have, I'm going to teach you everything I think I know. Me myself, I'm still open to learn more. I never still know anything, but at least the little one we I still know. If you know, it will be very good. So let's go, guys. Our first trade. Our SL don't eat. And what is going on? Let's go check. Our SL don't eat. We go for SL, bro. We celebrate SL as if na people we celebrate here. Please let's tap and share. If you cannot accept losses, you cannot make it. You need to create room for that. So all the money you want to release for this week, have it in mind that everything is gonna be gone. All the trades that you'll be having this week, have it in mind that all the money is gonna be gone. You want to throw it out to the market. That will actually help your psychology. Okay, so let's see what goes on here. Let's see what is going to happen. So which one are we going for? SL day body or on day body 75 oneness. Let's go check 75 oneness. Please let's tap and share. 75 oneness. 75 oneness. Let us tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Let's ginger. Let's ginger. Let's ginger. Let's ginger. Always the ginger. Don't feel weak. Market is on drawdown. No, don't feel weak. Don't feel weak. Market will want to play with your emotions. No greed. No greed. I noticed something. There's manipulation. This manipulation, I just see now. So this was the manipulation that they say used to happen. Look at the jump that we have here. Look at the jump. The trade that we are on now, you know that there is a jump there too. There's a jump there. So okay, so this is what they are doing, right? Okay. It's still better past currency pair. Because all this all I don't the trade, me I never see manipulation.
Very well. Papa President, I like the way you talk now.
It better because I never see him for this thing or this one. I'm just saying this one now. Ah,
I've been still on this one.
and although there's no manipulation in this thing, no, you understand, but it's just that the news that him here they see as my own manipulation, say, to the spike, to the scatter setups like that. So let's go to 3 months. Babe, dear my young. On our 3-month time frame, right here, we have what? We have a low here. Okay. We have a low here. We have a low here. And what market is trying to do, our own Sony, and what market is trying to do is trying to create another higher high. If market should break this level, we want to see market create another new higher high. So we're going to take advantage of the high to this area. Do you understand? If market should break it, we're taking advantage. Okay. So what we're gonna be doing right now is to mark this guy, our what? The recent high here. The market give us this my entry model rejection, which is our 3 ML. From this 3 ML, I want to see market give me a breakout on Monday time frame. This is the rejection, and this is the high, the low that market created, change of character, which we have a nice M pattern. Look at this beautiful M pattern. Look at this beautiful M pattern right there. So my bias is I want to see market keep pushing to the upside. All this area is what? Our liquidity areas. All these guys. Liquidity areas. So I want to see more buys. Okay, so let's go talk about the buys. So before I can be looking for what to sell, it's actually going to be maybe somewhere here. Maybe somewhere there. Let me use magnet. Okay, which is our what? Our MR. So from this MR2, I think we have a nice rejection from there, but I want to see market still push up to that level. So now look at what is going on here. Market give us a nice, it's trying to give us another W pattern right here. We have a low here, and we have another low here, giving us equal low, a double bottom. Okay, that's a double bottom. All right. And what the market can do for here, market has broken above these guys. So it's actually breaking it. It never break. But with this kind of push to the upside, I'm seeing this market breaking this resistance level. I'm seeing it breaking it. Okay. Please let us tap and share this live stream. So let us mark this, our resistance level out. Let's mark it this way. Boom. This is our what? Our MR. It's not yet support. It's still resistance level, which is our MR, because this printed candle is still printing. Oh yeah, it's support. My bad. It's support because this candle, this previous candle, closes above. It closes above. So it is a support area. So let us check if market is actually rejecting. Let's check. Oh, nice. There is a rejection. Now, why would they have this kind of push to the upside? Nevertheless, we are still looking for buy because I said it that this week is actually liquidity. Please let's tap and share. So on our weekly time frame, Vira, thank you. Vira. And you will go viral. That is a prayer for me. You're gonna go viral, bro. You don't worry. You're gonna go viral. Look at what's up here, man. When we have this push, this is what an inducement, like we have a push to the downside. So market has been doing this to the downside. So we want to see market take it out, to take this guy out, like I said. give us a kind of rejection from there so that we can actually sell. Okay, so that we can actually sell. So now let's talk about the recent break that we have. So now, like I said, on our monthly, it has broken. Weekly too, it broke and it gave us series of rejection from this support area. Can you see that? Series of rejection from this support area. So let us zoom. So right now, we have what? A low right here. We have a massive push to the upside. Okay, marking our fib level from this low, this candle to this high, where market this here, this guy. All right, so there's possibility that at least make market come to this 50% level of this our range, at least maybe around there, before we can have continuation or this break that happened right here. But guess what? It might actually be this 50% level because of this week. All right, we might have a zone right there on daily or 4 hours where we have a break. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. So there's any time market is coming back, I will be looking forward to buy from here. I'll be looking forward to buy from here, which is our what? Our daily support area. That is a nice breaker block. When market give us this nice break, look at the way market rejects from this breaker block. This guy, he rejects from this, all right? The market push to the upside, failed, all right? So I want to say market come back here, rejects here, and we have a virgin girl here. Look at this virgin girl hiding beneath here. It's hiding right here, so which is looking very, very fresh, right? So market might actually say, let me kukuma disvirgin these two zones before it start pushing to the upside. Okay, that is that. So now what market is actually doing right here, let us delete this our fib level. Please, let's start. What market is trying to create on lower time frame, market is trying to create what we call a rising wedge. So by the time we go to lower time frame, you're gonna see that. So let us see, where is this guy going to? Where are you going to on daily time frame? Let's quickly check that. Where are you going to? Where are you heading to? That is what we want to see. Okay. So I see. Where market is actually heading to, if you look at this daily, okay, we have our daily resistance with rejection that took place here. So all these areas you can see is a liquidity, okay, is what? A liquidity for market to use this area. So this is the zone that I will mark as where market is trying to approach. Okay, so we can actually look for buy from that point because we need to follow the volume. We want to follow the what? The volume. Let me take away all these ones. Please, let's start. Let's extend. So market wants to take away. I said take away. We want to follow the volume. The volume of the market, I mean, is pushing up massively. So let us follow the volume. And whenever you have this kind of structure, let me mark this guy as our DR. Let me quickly show you something here. Okay. So whenever you see market push up this way and it start giving you a kind of rising wedge like this, is giving a kind of rising wedge like this, okay, market can actually break to the upside like this again. Okay, that is a continuation. All right, that is what is likely to happen around there. Please, let's start and share. So now let's go to, before we go to anywhere, let's zoom. This is daily time frame, and this is the zone I was talking about. TP it again. Who is still watching from the sidelines? TP it again. Who is still watching? Who is this person? I better block this person, Jari. Are you here to cajole with us? Do you think we are playing here? We are here eating here that one TP has eat. Which your TP has eat? Come and whine us here. Block you. I don't block you totally, sir. She wants to draw attention so that you can quickly go to his profile, Click this thing. Let me go and join the winning team. Go join the winning team and come. Don't lose all your money. I wouldn't want that to happen to you guys. Please, let's tap and share, Jari. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So now this is our daily. All right. We have our daily supports here. We have resistance here. That is a higher high, higher low. Market has created another higher high. All right. Market has pulled back. So let's go to 4 hours now. Please, let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Okay, beautiful. Look at what we have now. All right. So let me take away this. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let me show you this rising wedge that I said we have. We're going to use this parallel channel. Let's pick it from here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh. This is the rising wedge. Okay. If you sabi how to use channel, you sabi how to use trend line, you're gonna understand what is going on. What happened right here is what they call a fake out. That's what they call a fake out. Market has rejected from here. Hey, what am I doing? Market has done what? Has rejected from this guy. So we want to see market do this and come to this area. Do we understand that? Now let's clear. Please let's tap and share. Let's zoom. 4 hours. Okay. Why are we having these rejections? We need to ask questions. Why are we having these guys? It's actually because of this guy, which market is trying to give us what? Inverse head and shoulder. That is why we are having those rejections. These are foils. Boom! You got it? If you don't get it, you don't need to forget about it. You need to ask questions so that you're gonna get it. Okay? So now we have our nice 4-hour support right here. Boom. Okay. Boom. All right. So I'm gonna go to 1 hour time frame. I want to say change of character that took place. Beautiful. Look at the way market giving us nice rejections around here. Okay. This high was the one that was created, and we have another high. Market break all of them out. It broke them out. So this is an inducement leg. Okay. A liquidity area right here. Okay. A liquidity area right here. Boom. So where do you think I'm going to be using for this entry, guys? Where do you think I'm going to be using for this entry? I would love to use this area. Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. I would love to use this guy right here for the continuation for a buy, which is our what? 1S. Boom. Right here. We'll wait for confirmation. Boom. Okay. So market should come back to give us a rejection. All right. Then we go in for a buy. Please let us start. So let me put alert here. Anytime market gets here, we are going to be alerted. Please let us tap and share, family. Let's tap and share. We are going to be alerted. Please, let's do currency PS now. Nico. We'll do currency PS now. So let us wait patiently for market to push down with a nice rejection. Then we engage. Okay, the engagement is going to be down straight up to this eye. This eye is going to be the target, this eye. Okay, so that is that for this particular pair, which is our 75 1S. So let me add 75 1S up here to our favorite. Please let us tap and share to our favorite. So V101S, we had a sell limit. Market is actually dropping, but it's still valid. We are still waiting patiently for market to come back. So V50, she market never hit SN. Please let us tap and share. What did they do this thing now? Why they fear SL? Why is this scared? Huh? Why is this guy scared? Look at the bullish engulfing candle. This guy. The bullish engulfing candle. Why is this scared? Please let's tap and share. So which pair do you want us to check again, guys? Currency pairs. Let's do currency pair now.
Hey, baby.
No. We are not taking trade. I mean, we are analyzing. For those people that want to take the trade, so that I can give them in bias. Oh my God. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Guys, I expect everyone to be doing journal your trades. So if you want to journal your trades, I will recommend Trader Waves. The link is on my bio as well. Just click the link, you see Trader Waves. Register and add your account. Once you add your account, it's going to do everything for you. You don't need to say you want to stress yourself by putting all the entry and the rest. No, everything is there. They have a chart. They have a chart that you can see where you engage, where you put your SN and the rest, your win rate, you're going to see everything. The back testing, they want to update it. Okay. So the thing that you're going to enjoy there, you are enjoying the premium service. That is what you're going to enjoy on Trader Waves, and it's absolutely free. It is totally free. It is the best for now. The best for now.
Yes, you.
Yeah.
I ordered my account, but my account will go into Nadim. Nadim why they see there.
Yeah, what?
Nadim why they see there for that Trader Waves. I log in my account, my MC5 now.
Your real account, Abi?
My real account I log in, but Nadim will come out.
No, you know me now. Go just write them way now. You know me. That one know me. That one know me. It's just giving you a proper journal and everything. How is the experience? How is it? Easy to track, right?
I don't join the president. I see that demo.
No, now that one know me. You are not trading there. It's just to give you, to show you what you have done on that your account. So you know me.
Yes. Should you use it for the website? The app on the website.
Now the website that they use, because the app, you will not be able to see the full this thing on the app. But if you go to the website, you'll be able to have every access. You see many things right there. Yeah, so I just the site that they use. I go just log in and see what is going on there. You understand? Guys, please let's tap. So which pair do you want us to check, guys? Which pair do you want us to check? Which pair? Huh? UJ. Omo, it don't tell. I can't believe that I can even give myself a long break like this on currency. You see what I'm saying? I say people when they trade JPY, are you not tired of all these spikes? See, are you not tired?
Just imagine take out.
Now imagine you engage a trade from here. You can't put your SL here below this guy. Okay. Now market don't push up very well, and maybe you don't forget to do break even, or you do break even. If you don't do break even, see how market is going to take you out. And that one no mean say market no go buy. We still going to buy. Still buying. No. Now why they don't say, and most especially when this UJ and GJ, especially JPY, I don't know what is going on in that country. And if not because say they have one of the biggest economic and this thing as well, they suppose come out. They suppose come out. Normal news, NFP news. Most of NFP news say no, they get this kind of spike. Where GJ they give, they get that. They get that. This one still short. They get that. Look at what happened here. From here down to here. I know now. Let me just do my own analysis because it's crazy. In fact, I even have analysis here for a very long time because I've not been trading it. So market finally break this high. So that means there's more continuation. So let us delete all this. I want to see more continuation. And market has actually rejected. Yeah, it is well. So let us go to 3 months. On our 3 months, obviously market is bullish. Because we have a break from this, So this is another high here that market has actually break. Market has break that zone. So let us go mark that area out. So the recent high that market broke, we need to mark it out. That is on 3 months. So this our 3 ML. You see the way market break it. Please let's tap and share. So this becomes our what? TDMS. So that's our TDMS. So from that area now, we want to see market start pushing to the upside. Okay? Or if market can actually come back to this area, of course it can do that. Because we have a zone here. This is my 3MS. This is my 3MS. So let's go to monthly. Please let's tap and share. So from my monthly, when we have this equal low here, look at this equal lows the market give us. This is a rejection. Market take out this high liquidity, so market can actually come back to this area. It might be now and it might not be now. So this area, market can come back here later in the future. So this is a monthly support area, MS. So now this one is telling us that anytime market gets here, you can actually look for what? A buying opportunity from this guy. Okay, and this is what? A liquidity zone for it. So now concerning this breakout that happened, look at the alignment. The 3MS, okay, is aligned with this our monthly resistance that becomes support now. It's aligned with it. So let us go to weekly. If there's any setup from that zone. So this is our weekly time frame. Okay, so the recent high that we have here, this high that was rejected before it becomes support. Okay, this is our weekly support, WS. So let's move back and see what happened here. All right, beautiful. So look at this weekly too. Look at the alignment. It's aligned with this weekly resistance that becomes support. So look at it. That 3 months, monthly and weekly is aligning together. There is alignment. Okay, so this one give us a breakout, but market has not come back to test this guy. So there's probability that we might have a drop to this area. Market can give us a spike to this guy and do what? And reject. Okay, it can give us a spike. So anytime market gets here and you see opportunity, you can engage a buy from this point. This is one. Yes, now I'm on a spike. Oh, it's true now. This one said one pass boom and crash. I never tried boom and crash before, but This is how bull market suppose they do. Suppose they spike like this now. So this is a liquidity area. This week is a liquidity. So don't let me to mark it. So now let's go to daily. All right, beautiful. So this is our daily time frame. Can you see? This is still the best area to engage. Okay, this is the best area to engage. Look at this, our daily support here. We have this, my daily support. It's my nice rejection there, which is my DS. Okay, which is my DS. Market broke this guy out. Okay, this is an engineer liquidity. So let me go to 4 hours and see what is going on. I'll come back to this daily. I just want to check something on 4 hours. Please, let's start. Okay, this was the rejection. Took this guy out. Okay, so the buy has actually happened. But you see this area, we have this breaker block. You see the market has not used. So we have this breaker block here. This area, the market break. This is a liquidity for it. This is an engineer liquidity. So there's high probability the market is coming for it. Seriously, there's high probability. So let's go back to daily. There's high probability. So anything from this area, just look for what? Look for buy. Anything from here, look for buy. Anything from there, look for buy. That is one. So now let us look. Maybe if there's opportunity for a sell around here, because I'm seeing something fishy here. This R is being broken to the upside. Is being broken to the upside. So we have a resistance level here. So let me see the 4 hours. So now what 4 hours has done here is when we have this massive drop from this guy. Look at this guy. You have a massive drop. Market give all this lower high, higher low, higher high, rejecting from here. From this guy, you now give us another one, lower low. So this lower low, this is the lower low, and 4 hours is giving us a rejection. It didn't even reject from here, and market did not even reject from here. So the rejection took place for here, which is head and shoulder. This guy here, look at the rejection that took place. Okay, which is an head and shoulder. So I expect market to come back here to give a proper rejection here. Then you sell off, which is your 4 hour. Then you sell off from here. Let me take away this. Okay, then you sell off from that point. Okay, because from here you have a massive drop. This is an inducement leg, lower low. Market give this. So want to see market do this and drop again to spike down. All right, so let's go to 1 hour time frame. Beautiful. So this is 1 hour, right? Can you see the way market give us a massive push to the downside here? All right, so I want market to come back here properly. Oh yeah, so market use the 1 hour here. No, market said never get there. So my expectation now is for people that want to trade this guy, for people that want to take a trade here, wait for confirmation here. With confirmation, don't go and do aggressive, please, because overall of UJ is bullish. So what you're trying to do is you're trading against the trend, but the trend of 4 hours is actually downtrend at the moment. So wait for market to give you a proper rejection, okay, and take your sell. All right, and take your sell. So this is going to be my bias before market will get here for a buy. Okay, before you can begin to look for a buy from this area. So that is my bias for this UJ. All right, so let me check this out. 550. Please, let's tap on share. Let's start. Let's tap on share. Let's tap on share. Let's tap on share. Oh, God of mercy. Our first trade for the week. Which pair do you want us to check?
Can we check Euro card?
Euro card, okay. All right, BTC and Euro US, okay. On our 3-month time frame, look at what we have, guys. Market has changed character to the upside, which is still an internal structure. All this thing where they saw up here is internal to this guy. Is internal to that guy. So with the way market is pushing up, there's probability that market is going to get to this external range. So this is our resistance level here. All right, there's probability that market will get to that external. So this guy is our TDMR. That's that. And we have a break from this high. That is our TDMS. And when the break took place, we have how many rejections? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have those rejections. So let's go to our monthly. So this is our monthly time frame. Now you see that we have this support area and we have the support area here. So market rejects from this support guy and push up. Okay, so there's probability that we might have some break to the upside. So let us zoom. On monthly time frame, we mark out this our support area. The market give us a nice rejection here. This is our MS.
Play the music the moment is calling for.
Okay,
Whether it's turning up the party,
which is our
or
MS.
to relax in the
So let's go to
soundtrack with ad-free music
weekly.
listening and
We are looking for
offline
buys.
downloads on Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
This is the rejection that took place here. The high has been taken out from here. This is my inducement leg. Market can push all the way down to this area and buy again. Okay, but with what we have here on this our weekly, okay, market is consolidating around here. Market is consolidating. It's not giving a proper direction from that point. Okay, the buyers and the sellers are dragging the market, trying to actually know where this market is going to push, maybe to the upside or to push lower. But if this guy can actually push lower, it's going to make a lot of sense, so that we can use this area for a buy. At least this area for a buy is a liquidity for this guy. That is going to make a lot of sense. So we have this our weekly what is it called, weekly support here, a nearest target the market can actually get to, okay, after you have this rejection. after we have this rejection, that is the nearest target for market to get to this low. Do you understand? So this rejection is our what? Our weekly resistance level. So we go straight to our daily now. Please let's start question. So on our daily time frame, what do we have? This was the rejection that took place. Okay, this was the rejection that took place. After the rejection, this was the low that was created. Market took it out. So all this area is liquidity. So I'm going to be using this area for entry for market to do this and sell off. Do you understand? So that is what I'm going to be doing. So on this daily now, okay, that is the bias for this guy. So let me mark this guy out. So anytime market gets there, you can take a shot for yourself. As DR Congo. Yeah. Look for sell from there. So let us talk about the buy that is actually going on here. If you look at this buy, we have this beautiful trend line from here. Please let's start. We have this beautiful trend line around here, which is our what? DT. So what this trend line is telling us is telling us many things. That anytime we see markets do what? Break below the trend line, wait for pullback and sell off. Okay? And sell off to where we want to buy from. You remember that I said this area is the liquidity. I want to buy from here, okay? So just take the opportunity and go for the sell. All right? And go for the sell. So let's zoom. So if you look at this breakout that happened, look at this breakout. Okay? Market came back for it, right? Market came back for it. It break below actually, if I draw it very well. Can you see the way market breaking below? So that is a sign that market is still coming to do what? To still give us a lower low. It might happen now and it might happen later. So from this support now, market is giving us a nice rejection. So you see that rejection, that is our daily support. Our DS, that's our daily support. So from this daily support, we go to 4 hours now. All right, so this is our 4 hours time frame. So look at the confirmation the market is giving us. We have a bullish engulfing candle as confirmation. Look at it. A bullish engulfing candle as what? Confirmation. Do you understand that? As what? Confirmation. And what did market do here? Market did a head and shoulder pattern from here. Market is using this level, this guy. That is where market is rejecting from. Look at the line. Can you see that? That is the zone market is using. Okay, reject from that zone. All right, align with that our daily this is. So this is a bullish engulfing candle for confirmation. So let's go to 1 hour. Let's see. Julius, Mama the Mama. What's up? All right, so this is our 1 hour time frame. Okay, you see that we have equal lows here. Market give us a nice equal low here. Sorry there. After the equal low, market broke this high. It broke it to the upside. So we want to see market push down like this and push up to the upside. Okay, babe, be careful. So let us mark this our 1 hour zone out. Okay, like this. This is our 1 HS. So from this 1 HS, let me see what we have on 15 minutes, which is going to be the final bus stop. All right, so 15 minutes here, market give us what? A nice rejection, a break to the upside, liquidity. So market can still come back to this area and buy again. Okay, and buy again. So let us go back to the 1 hour now. Please, let's tap and share. Okay, so my expectation on this guy now is if market can actually come back here, you can take a buying opportunity with confirmation. With what? Confirmation. Okay, hold this trade though. If you engage, if you see the opportunity, you can hold the trade all the way to this high. You can hold it all the way to this high that market created here. So this is just my simple bias on this pair. So if you look at this our 1 hour, it's going to look like what? Inverse head and shoulder. Okay, here it's just going to be the head, Olorioko, the shoulder, one of the child, and another shoulder, the second child. So Vida, thank you for sharing the live stream. Thank you for sharing the live stream. So they took our lights. At least they tried. That is the only thing we enjoy here. This is my local area. We they use lights like say this thing. That's the only thing I enjoy here. Please let us tap and share. So that is that for this. Okay, so that's for Euro card. Me too, I will be looking close. By the grace of God, very soon, or it depends, we might go back to currency pairs. So before we go to BTC, let us see what is going on around here. Please let us tap and share. Okay, good. Market is coming to our RSI. Please let us tap and share. Let's tap and share. All right, so this is the update on this guy. Okay, so let's go check BTC. From BTC, we go to Euro USD. BTC, here we go.
Boss.
Yeah.
Sorry, boss. You're gonna help me check E91S.
V91S.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm coming. Let's finish this. All right, so my weekly bias on this is for you to look for more buys. Okay, it's for you to look for more buys, and I said that I have some pullbacks, so wait for market to give you some pullbacks. Okay, and if you look at this, our daily zone here, market is respecting this area. Okay, so if you just wait for market to break that high before you engage for any buys. Okay, so let us go to weekly. All right, so this is the weekly, right? As you can see from this our weekly, we have what? A breakdown. Market break this support area to the downside, giving us a nice CLT here. Look at the way market took this low out. We have a virgin girl here. The market did what? This candle eventually break above this support, which it makes it a resistance, a support level. So from the support level, last week candle now rejects from here. Let me mark it so that you will see. Can you see that? So market now do what? Reject from that zone. So this is weekly support area. You see the way this candle reject from there. So there's probability that we might have a break to the upside. So that daily resistance is so strong. That is why you are having that kind of push to the downside. That's why we are having that kind of push to the downside. So anyhow market won't do. Now, if you look at this daily here, this high, we have a higher what? Higher low, then we have a new higher high. Market bring this high to the upside. So if at all, if this guy wants to sell, that means he's trying to create what? A M pattern as confirmation. So if you are taking this, if market wants to sell, let us wait for market to break this support, then give us what? A pullback and sell off. So this is where we just be looking for what? A selling opportunity. Okay? We just be looking for what? A selling opportunity from there. Alright? But for now, we are still looking for the buys for market to get to this our weekly resistance level. That is a bias. Okay, thank God we're back. So what are we saying? So on our BTC, so you should look for buying opportunity. So what we are having around there now, market is giving us a nice support here. Okay, which is our now network they make and they slow like this. So for see it's network. Network never balance. And trading view require a very good network. Let me close and open again. You require a very good network. Weather don't change totally. This rain wants to follow. Wow.
It's telling us since morning, sir.
For island.
Yes.
Sunday here before the weather don't change.
No be small. Na heavy rain. No be say.
If you see the heavy rain wey fall for here yesterday, car.
So yes, you know every day. Now only that on Saturday now then.
You know for
And only Saturday.
Wow.
Apart from that, this place still this morning now, there's no carry outside go out.
Wow. So guys, if you want to buy this guy, see where I will tell you to buy from. Please, let's start. I want to make this thing to be more bolder. So just look for buy from here. Okay, look for buy with confirmation. Look for buy to the upside. That's my bias on this BTC, guys. That's my bias on BTC. Please, let's start. Euro USD. Are we on what did they call them? Market no eat break even. Abi SL. What's going on? Gold, sir. Okay, I'm going to check gold. Okay, this guy is here. Okay, let's see. Maybe be like saying the fear. Let's go check gold. Shatizi, which pair? You talk before we check gold.
V91S.
V91S. Chubi Lord, I'm coming to gold, okay? Let's go to 3 months. What do you have on our 3 months? Let us see. Let us try to understand what the market is telling us. Let us try to understand what the market is telling us right here. So what the market is telling us is that it's telling us that it's creating what? A lower highs. We have 2 lower highs there. We have this high and we have this lower high around here. So market break this guy to the what? To the downside, which we're going to mark. Market break this support area. This support area was being broken and it give us a nice rejection from there, which is our 3MR. So from this 3MR, we go straight to monthly now. Big Fresh, good morning, sir. Big Fresh himself. So now this is what our monthly area. So waiting market do for here. Market give us a nice head and shoulder here. A head, a shoulder, another shoulder. That is what market did around there. I'm doing well, my brother. How can now? So we have this nice rejection from here. Our market give us a nice resistance level. Look at this strong resistance level. The market has been creating for a while. This is monthly resistance level. So market has been what? Trying to consolidate here, but we finally have a break. So from this break, we want to see a pullback and see if we can engage. On our weekly, now beautiful. This is the level I told you guys that you can be looking for what? For a continuation for itself. So now we have this resistance level which is aligned with our weekly. Look at the way market reject from there. Boom. Can you see that? You see the rejection? This resistance has been mitigated. This one has been mitigated. So we want to see this one to start dropping to the downside. But mind you, we have this our support area here. Okay. Which is what? Our weekly support. Very well. So what do we do next? We go straight to daily. This is the daily. So from this daily, we have a high here. Okay, market has taken it out. My double break, which is 1, 2, it has happened. So so this is a nice area for what? A continuation. For what? A sell. So from this area, this market now created what? A daily resistance level with a rejection right here. A daily resistance level with a rejection. Okay, so when market do this, all right, we want to see markets dropping from this point. That is what I want to see. And if you look at this area can be used as target. If you are taking a long trade, this area can be used as what? TP1 or whatever. So let me just mark this guy as what? DS, daily support. If market actually wants to buy, it can actually do this, reject from here, okay, and start buying. But with the way I'm seeing this guy, market is likely to break it all the way down. All right, so let's go straight to our 4 hours time frame. And I don't know if this guy is actually very volatile. Let's go to 4 hours now. I've been trading this thing now for a while. I don't know the one that is that volatile and the rest. I just the trade they go. It is. They said it is. So this is our 4 hours. Waiting stop for this 4 hours. From this high, we have this low, lower high, lower low, equal high, lower low, higher high. The market is creating another what? Higher low here. So maybe market wants to do this and drop again. Maybe. So because they said it's actually volatile, we now need to be patient. What are we now going to do? We wait for this daily candle to close because it's volatile. So that network, please. So this daily candle have to close. So if this daily candle it closes and rejects from here, then tomorrow we'll be looking forward to do what? To sell. Then we'll be looking forward to sell. Do you understand? If not, because it's not volatile. Assuming it's not volatile, right? Nothing caused me not to take my long trade here. Nothing concern me. I don't go with that. I go enter, then leave my trade. Make it they run, they go. You understand? Make it just they run. Okay, and I will not come back to it. Alright? But because of the volatility, very volatile, let us wait for the daily candle to close. Then we'll look forward to engage on 15-minute entry. So that is going to be tomorrow. So my brother said we should check gold. We never talk about gold this morning. Okay, I'm expecting gold to come back here, but let us clear the chart and let us have a fresh this thing. But this one was for last week. So let's go back to monthly. So on our monthly time frame on gold, okay, you all can see the market is bullish, but from here market has been dropping massively. For how many months now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months ago, gold has been dropping massively. Okay, So let's go to weekly. Gold has been dropping massively. On weekly time frame, okay, market give us a nice rejection from this point, which is our weekly support WS. Okay, which is our what? WS level. So this is the rejection that took place. All right, there's possibility that this guy might keep dropping, but let's see. So on daily time frame was actually rejecting from where we have a zone here that market used. Okay, so let's zoom. So there is this support area that market mitigate here. It give us a rejection. All right, market give us a break to the upside. All right, this is an engineer liquidity push up. Now it's pushing down. So there's probability the market might come back here and give us a push up again. So you see that it's giving us alignment with what we have on BTC. On what we have on BTC. So this is our DS now. Okay, this is DS. So anytime market come there, you can as well. So at the same time, let's talk about waiting sub for here. We have this our daily resistance level here. Because market is bearish, daily resistance level. So what do I want to say? I want to go to 4 hours. All right, this was the rejection. Market took this high out, boom. This low rather, it took it out, boom. So if I want to engage for a sell, it's either I use this area for my sell. All right, so I'm still seeing this gold pushing to the upside once more. So allow market to push down, take this low out, give us this sweep out, which is our liquidity here. Please let us tap and share, which is this liquidity. All right, market can actually push all the way down to this support area and start pushing up again. All right, so anytime market come back here, just wait for what? A nice confirmation before you engage. A nice what? Confirmation before you engage. S boy, thank you for the follow. So that is going to be my bias on this gold. I know many people will be saying that, but can't we look for sell opportunity? Can't we sell? Can't we sell? My brother, leave the market to let it do what it wants to do. Today is Monday. Shall you get? Today is Monday. So market might consolidate around here for today. Today's Monday. Market might be playing around all this area. All right, but allow the market to get to this area before you begin to look for what? For sales, for a buys. So that's my bias on that. Please let us tap and share. So we have a sell limit on this 10-1s. What is going on it?
That big one is just a draw, just a drop.
No, Allah, just leave. I'm making the drop. If you still come back and pull back, okay? If we come back to our zone,
Yes.
so far we see our sell entry, our sell position waiting there. So let us wait patiently. Sir AK Official, you are awesome. You are awesome too, bro. Thank you so much. Please let us tap and share. Thank you. We are only trying our best here. V75, what is our bias there? Okay, market is pushing back. That guy. Thank you. Thank you for the roses. That guy. So let's see. Market is pushing back. So this is our V50. How far with it? Please let us tap and share. So this is the only trade that we have for now that is going on. Now look at the long rejection that they give us on this 1 hour. Look at this long rejection. On 1 hour, look at the long rejection. So guys, send your request if you have any question or you want to talk to me. Send your request and let us talk. Today is Monday, so we don't need to do much today. Babe, please can you get me my food? Hmm? Please let us start. Ọkàn mi
Let your music taste shine with premium. Post and jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with limited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
Let's stop. And share the live streams. Send your request. Let's talk, guys. Dan Baba, Alpha.
Oh, boss, I do.
How was your last week now?
You say?
How was the last week trade?
Last thread. I've been there on break. Best one see, I've been going my money go pay school fees, guy.
Okay. How long have you been trading?
Like 2 years actually, but no see at the trade SLP actually.
Okay, SLP. Tell us about SLP.
Yes. You say?
Tell us about SLP. How na they do am?
It's just on like let's say we check bias, then we check structure, then liquidity, then maybe part of interest. Like for example,
Yeah.
you let's say this our trade, like this volatility 50 index.
Yeah.
So this your entry,
Yeah.
It's kind of like above my this thing. Let me say above my entry.
Okay.
So like this bias is kind of like, let's say it's kind of like uptrend. You understand?
Okay.
So we get in the structure, like we have this break of structures like from beneath like this. We can get like 3 break of structures here to the upside.
To the outside. Yeah.
Yes. So like we're having like kind of maybe change of character here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then that place where you touch like this now.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, let's say we can call it a liquidity.
Okay.
So that you down sorry. So this particular candle we can call it an order block.
This candle, other block. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So for it, like we can map it, like we'll draw triangle on it to the other side.
Okay. The body or the wick? The full candle.
Let's use the body.
Like this.
So so if he tap on the triangle like this.
Yeah.
Sorry, the rectangle.
You don't tap
so
for here.
Let me say it should be our, that should be our entry.
You don't tap.
He tap now, check now.
And I said this candle don't tap.
So that should be the entry. So our stop loss is just like beneath this triangle.
Yeah.
Like this rectangle. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is SLP.
Yes, that's SLP.
Hey, while I don't do. This is what they call SLP.
So I should see what I don't do.
It's normal SMC now. It's normal. This is where most people they do now.
But at least now it's based on the structure actually. So if the structure is not right, you cannot get this thing.
I swear, see, everybody, we are all trading the same, I bet. We are all trading support and resistance. Everybody.
Yeah, actually, it should be support and resistance actually.
Everybody, we are all trading the same thing.
Maybe say like everybody gets his own pattern of entry. That's it.
Even though the pattern of entry, everything is still the same. I swear. The thing where I use, when you say, have you call on one name, another person will call on another name, this one will call another name. You see, eventually see that it's still this. So SLP, so this SLP. I know there's advanced, there's everything like when we have like inverse head and shoulder, that's part of SLP too.
Yeah, we say sometimes now we are using this fair value gap.
Even though with the fair value gap, there is still a zone behind the fair value gap that market is respecting.
Yeah, actually.
That's what people don't
like,
know.
You using fair value gap self. Sometimes now you will see like there is this in called breaker block.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. You will see a zone from that fair value gap. So to me, it be like say nothing like fair value gap, because if you change it to line chart, you can't see any gap there. Market respects zones, resistance and support. That's what market is respecting. So fair value gap is just a normal imbalance. Say,
You know, say on a nose, but other mentors now they want to be like manipulating students. You understand?
No, they are not actually manipulating. They are actually teaching what they know.
But like some stuff like this now, they are kind of like stuff where they see they will add to the students. Adding it to the students now might make it to like students to confuse.
Yes, I agree.
While there is a simple term for you to teach
There
the students.
There is simple term for everything. You know, everything is packaging. All we do, packaging. Is packaging. You understand? It's packaging. Okay, now if you
just want to claim big name.
Yeah, if I mark a zone like this and I want to, if you check the names that I have here, look at what we have. One HR, one HS, one C. So if I'm analyzing and I'm saying that okay, this is my 3MS, this is my CML, this is my 4S, my 40, my BE, BOS, DC, DL, people will be confused. They will not understand. But professional will look at it and say, DR, daily resistance. Or if I use my math, say okay, it's daily resistance. Oh, people will come in and say okay. You know, that's how you will see A shape, V shape. People that trade MSN now, when they say A shape, V shape.
Yes.
And actually, if you change it to line chart, it's looking like A shape, V shape. Me now, if I want to call an head and shoulder, I can say a crown.
Yes.
A crown. This is a crown. Yes, because it's the shape of crown as well. So different things. We just a corner name that they used to confuse ourselves. But the simple term, right, is just purely support and resistance, price action. Purely. What we are all doing is price action. Nobody will not do price action. Everything is price action. You see a bullish engulfing price action. You see market give you. That's why if you don't understand candles, you cannot understand what you are doing. You need to understand all the candles. Indecision candles, bullish, bearish, all these marbles, all these things. How all these things works is very important.
Very, very important.
So with your experience now, how is your experience so far ever since you started as a forex trader up to now?
It's just like I'm just struggling. Like there's truth be told, I'm struggling with my emotions actually.
Okay. Emotions in what sense? Fear?
Like I still don't have discipline. Like I'm struggling with discipline.
Okay.
Actually.
Are you a day trader?
Yeah, I'm a day trader.
Okay. And you focus mainly on synthetics, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like how many numbers of trade did you tell yourself you will be doing maximum per day?
Per day, I don't used to pass like 2 or 3 actually.
Okay, so your maximum is 3, Abi?
Yes.
And what is your minimum RR? Your minimum RR.
Minimum 1 to 3, 1 to 4.
Okay, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Okay. So, and that's your RR. With this, your RR that you're using, you are not profitable yet, right?
Yes. So that makes me to be doing like that is because I'm saying I'm losing on discipline. Sometimes it's not I the gamble actually.
Okay. You see the word gambling, right? You remove it. I understand that
Yeah.
everybody wants to make money. Hey, good morning, pedicure. Everybody actually wants to make this money fast, fast. I know. But you need to like remove anything gambling. You allow your setup to align. All your confidence. Let it meet all the your requirement. Let it meet everything before you engage. It's not the time setup go dey show. You will see sometimes we might not even have any trade to take. Sometimes it might be one, sometimes it might be four. So,
Yeah.
aha. But if you give yourself a good trading plan of you said you don't want to do more than 3 trades, which is very good. All right. And you can just say to yourself that okay, if your first trade gives you TP and the second one gives you TP, just make sure you close for the day. You don't need to take the third one at all. Okay.
Yeah.
And in
Yes.
another scenario, if the first one gives you SL, the second one gives you SL, don't take the third one, just close for the day. Know that you've lost 2% for that day. And it's not even loss, it's actually a setback. So another scenario, when you realize that your first CP is TP, your first trade TP, second trade is SL, you have the room to take the third one. So the third one will now determine maybe it's going to be a good day or bad day. So if the first one gives you SL, the second one gives you TP, you have the room to take the third one. But don't take 3 losses in a row. Don't take 3 TPs in a row. Take 2 TP in a row, then close. 2 SL in a row, then close. Don't trade again. Let it be
Okay.
in your trading plan. So part of your trading plan, try as much as possible to reduce your RR to 1 to 2. I know your strategy can give you 1 to 10, 1 to 15, 1 to 6. But you see, the only way everyone can actually grow your psychology, it is when you begin to see wins. Is when you begin to see that okay, at the end of this week, I make profit, little profit. That is when your psychology will begin to grow. But if you are having losses, okay, your psychology will not grow. It will not go anywhere. It will be going worse. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it is your
I
trading
trust you on
plan.
this.
What do you say?
I trust you on this.
Yes,
Can't
it
get
is your
enough of your
trading
song
plan
of the moment?
that will
Download and
help
indulge
your
in the tracks you
psychology to
love
grow.
over and over again with Spotify Premium.
I know
Tune in
discipline
to
is another
discover an
thing that
ad-free
if you are not
music listening
disciplined,
experience where you
you
can
will
play
not
your
be able
favorites
to
in any order.
stick to that your
Tap the
trading
banner
plan.
to learn more.
But you need to fight yourself that hey me, Dan Baba, I need to stick to my trading plan. We are all human beings. We do make mistakes. It's not you cannot just change immediately. It is step by step. All right. So when you set yourself that okay, this week I will make sure I follow these rules. Then at the end of the week, you now go back and check all the things you've done for the week. You now realize that I go against this particular rules. Next week, I will try as much as possible not to go against it. My brother, before you know it, you will be disciplined with your trading plan. So once you are disciplined with your trading plan, at the end of the week, you will now realize that you close the week with profits. It might be little and it might be much. The only thing that keeps me going for like 4 years now is because I always stick to my trading plan. Every week, I check my trading plan. What and what do I want to add? What and what do I want to adjust? I will do that and I will make sure I stick to it for the week. Do you understand? So part of that trading plan, make sure you put your risk to reward to 1 to 2 for now. So that 1 to 2 will help you to be having more wins. So at the end of the week, when you now see that more I make 2% today, this week, following week, I make 1%, the third week, I no make any profit, I make less than 1, I make loss of 1%. The fourth week, I make 4%. My brother, you go dey very happy that at least you are doing well. Gradually, your psychology will be growing. Gradually, that your trading plan is not going to be part of you. You will not even bother yourself to say, let me check, because it's already part of you. Okay?
Thank you, boss. I'm understanding.
Yes. So everybody, please
sorry, boss.
try to do that. Yeah, brother.
Yeah. So I want to ask a question. This question, I want to ask you the question since when you started teaching this thing. That one-to-one, that risk they work. Is it all the trade? Is it not sometimes some trade will not give you that one-to-one, some they will give you that one-to-one. So I will tell you about it.
No, I'm not saying 1-to-1, no, 1 to 2 minimum.
1 to 2, yes, 1 to 2 minimum. So some trade can fit pass that 1 to 2 minimum. So
Yeah.
that kind of trade, is it more say we take that kind of trade?
No. It still happened. Is it not yesterday or 2 days ago that I wanted to take one particular trade? I said this one is not up to 1 to 2. We did not take it.
Okay.
So any trade that is not giving you the minimum target that you want to get, you don't take it. It's not yours. Just leave it.
Okay.
Don't take it. Just leave
Thank
it.
you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So risk to reward will go a very long way, and it's going to help. It's going to help. It's going to help. Then later you can begin to say, okay, let me increase my RR. Now look at the part of our trading plan. I said it that we're not going to be taking any trade on currency pair. I think this is the 4th week or so, a month or something. I will not take any trade. That is part of discipline. That Omokai ratio is very disciplined. If I'm not disciplined, I go don't take one trade on currency pair. Okay, so because I said it is part of it that for now.
Hello.
We are on break. Yeah, hi, young Adams.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Is this your first time, sir?
How's the market? Sir.
Your first time joining?
I just saw your video about one boy where asked you for volatility 75.
Okay, sir. Well done, sir. Thank you so much. Your first time joining, right?
I call listen to. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are welcome.
This is my first time.
All right, you're welcome.
And the way you even take the reply, the boy said, you try. You not be like our northern forex traders with this mentorship, this event. The way that boy take the challenge you, they ask you this, ask you that, ask you this, ask you that. You're not even supposed to reply that boy. You're supposed to block and say. I swear to God, you're supposed to block him. You don't need to waste time for us rubbish. The boy not just get sense at all. Yes, now that's the reason why me.
He best you.
I swear, the team best me. Not me. No, but the team best me. If I did with that, slap that boy. I swear to God. Which kind of madness is this? Now you dey control the market. The boy not just get sense. If all those kind of people they learn, they're not going to ever learn better thing for their life. It's just a do rubbish. I wish that boy don't enter like one signal where you give. You can't go lost. Or just they carry the post on social media say this guy not try, this guy do something, this guy not do this, this guy do this. That's what you're going to do.
But seriously.
You're not supposed to even let it blow out this kind of message.
Oh no. I swear, I don't even expect say the video go see the trend. I say every day I dey get nothing less than 10 comments, nothing less than every day. Ever since I posted the video, and I'm tired of replying because I'm like, people dey vex o.
Yes, nah, the thing don't make sense. Pardon with that guy, if I not slap or call the person, now dress the I saw you tell the something. He no say he no sabi anything. You they keep on something. They tell you say no be so. Why you no go do it by himself?
But seriously,
guys, if all those guys they call your comment section, not just the reply, maybe just they block them.
I understand.
They're gonna show another friend they do. They know they wait for this kind of thing.
I
If you
understand.
just talk rubbish once, they'll block you, delete you. Don't pass.
I understand. Thank you so much.
This kind of thing are rubbish, guy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right, sir.
Thank
Can
you.
I know where you from?
I did Lagos.
Okay, Lagos.
Yeah.
Me, I did Benin Arenas.
Benin. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nice one. No,
I
wala,
did
my
Benin
brother.
Arenas.
Thank you so much. I dey go live every day, so you can be joining us.
Okay, no problem. I'll follow you. I don't follow you already now.
All right. God bless you.
I will come over here, inshallah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, sir.
Sir.
Please let us tap and share. In fact, the video, there's no day where I know they see comment. I could just see comment, I could just laugh come out. Because I think it's just some people, right? They don't, even though if you don't know anything, right? You want to join VIP and you're telling me I should give you a scarf. Not even this is a scarf in this in on gold though.
You know
Before
even supposed to give.
before you go know say my VIP they do it.
Not the post.
Out and about. Make your music.
Not the post. Now you like to do. Now you like to do good. And that's why sometimes people don't like to do good at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
But because of all this rubbish.
Yeah.
Don't try. You don't try your best. Don't try your best. Do something. Send out the person. I say the time you say not be so it's supposed to be. If you know saying it's a big person, wait till make a call the ask you again. Some people they want to learn something, but they'll still do rubbish.
It is well. It is well.
Now we get local, I swear.
Hello, good morning, Ratio.
Good morning, my brother.
How are you doing?
Yes, sir. How you doing, sir?
Yes, I wanted to talk the young guy that I was talking about.
Okay.
The reason why that guy was asking you for stopping signal.
Yeah.
On Telegram. I told you of my experience on Telegram.
Yes. Yeah.
I think there are some Telegram guys that if you want to add it to their group, they will tell you that they will first give you free signal.
Free signal. Okay.
But you know, say that priest cannot be most though. They just do it for their own good, so that may you don't go feedback, say you don't pay your money and you never get CC inside. That's why they give you.
Hello, my network.
Yeah.
They will tell you that they want to give you free signal. They will first give you free signal. That you should tell them.
Then just decide to give you for free. Not be saying a must. Not be must.
No, listen to what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's a must, but I'm just saying that those Telegram guys are part of the problem also.
Yeah.
They are part of the problem because they might have been contacting that particular guy, and it has sink into his head already that if you want to join a VIP, you must give him a signal first, free signal first, to know how good you are.
Yeah.
I think you understand.
Yeah.
So you might not blame him, you might not fully blame him, but his approach yes, also. But the way the kind of fraudulent activities on Telegram is nothing to write home about.
I swear.
It's nothing.
I swear.
But you don't say the way that guy talk, not be say.
That's why I said the approach also.
The approach.
Not just make sense at all. The way the guy.
It don't make sense. Yeah. Not be only that one, no. I see many things. My eye they see shaggy. Maybe I see verse yesterday. I talk and say I no one just they use that thing for content, because if I dey use that for content, people go to say maybe that is my goal or something. And seriously, I can't be posting all these things. And I think I will reduce my giving of WhatsApp, or maybe I will remove my WhatsApp line from the link on my bio. So if anybody actually wants serious business, all right, I will send my number to the person via message on TikTok. Maybe that's what I'm going to do, because a lot of messages, and some newbies actually don't. And well, everybody with their own manner of approach. They don't sabi. People don't sabi how to talk sometimes. They could just talk bam,
You see, like our northern forex traders now, all those mentors now, they want to teach you something,
Yeah.
If you go to their DM, they will message you. If you go, hello, hi, Alpha, sir, I want to register for your trading group.
Yeah.
And I want to learn. They will say it's 50,000.
Okay.
Online, physical 100,000. If you can pay. If you don't want to pay, they go. Nobody they carry you come. Many people there where they wait.
Yes.
They know the waste time for all those rubbish because
Yeah.
they know our people. Our don't start. You just cut on. No need to reply a person at all.
Oh,
Yes, now that's why we say we our own just they different.
it did different.
Yes, now they different. I swear. Now the way you behave, person go behave. But
That's
if you say you mad, person go play as mad person. If you say you beg,
I know some people they go just come like this, they go come whine me. Come ask some silly question, thinking as if they are serious. In fact, to the extent that they will even call me, I give attention for call. That they will call me. We can talk for like 30 minutes. And that is going to be the end. We just feel like, what is all this rubbish? People just taking advantage of saying
they try.
this way.
But yeah, it is good to be friendly with your mentees and the rest, but
Yeah.
at least don't be too open actually. Sometimes people now go use that thing that go they drag your name for media.
Very well.
And they tell you.
Very well.
But the easiest thing to do with that.
That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Guys, please let's stop.
At least be kind of like private small.
Is that?
At least be kind of like private small like this.
Yeah. At least.
Yeah.
It is well. V10 is pulling up. So it should just pull up and trigger us and go straight to our SL. Boom. We can just drop our SL directly. Make our body calm down. Guys, join me. Make our body calm down. Wow. It is well. Omo, abeg, house don tire me. I don dey house too much now. I just dey house. I feel like going out. I mean, I be kind of person that I don't like to dey comot. Now I wan come dey hug me, make I just comot. I wan comot again. If no be say I never marry now, at least I go just call one of my girlfriend say mo hook up somewhere.
If you still call those your virgin girls now. Those your virgin girls, those your candle, those your supporters, those your MVG. You call them now? Yes, now.
It is well. Omo, seriously, Melo Junior, this I said this broker. I feel like I'm actually hoping we can have a good profile for these authentics we know they do consistency rule. I swear. I lie.
It go dey difficult.
It go dey difficult.
Ratio, let me tell you the reason why. Let me just take a look at for the past 10 weeks now. 10 weeks now. You'll be on profit.
Yeah.
Who will give you that profit?
Yeah.
Who will pay for that profit?
Who will pay?
Who will pay for that profit?
Wallahi.
That you know you must withdraw the profit.
Yes, now.
Who will pay for it? It's not going to be funny now. So if they know that okay, this thing is profitable, okay, there's tendency that people might be making profit every day. It's going to be difficult to be paying people. Extremely difficult. So let's say you have a 5,000. You bought a 5,000 account for like I think it's $39.
$39. How much?
A 5,000 account, 5K account is $39. Now a $39 account, and at the end of the day, you now withdraw after a month. You withdraw 2,000 or 3,000.
Wallahi.
That's crazy.
You have no reason now. that broker will collapse in less than a year.
It will collapse
in less than a year.
It will
That's
collapse.
why they manage themselves. So they know that if your account, that means if your profit, they will not give you first month. You cannot make more than 1,000. So that 1,000, they know how to cut it down.
They know how to cut it down. Yeah.
That $1,000.
Yeah.
Say in a day, you must not make more than $100 or $200.
Yes.
So let's say your RR is giving you like $18 to $250. That means you must close your trade at $200.
At $200. At $200.
Yes. Whether you like it, there's still room for that thing to get to 250.
Yeah.
You must close at 200. If not, they will still cut down that profit.
Come on.
And part of this, you might even blow the account for consistency rule, or they might even deduct your profit. Some they don't use to blow account because of consistency, but they will deduct those profits.
They will deduct it. But this one they block accounts if you go against their this thing. The consistency.
I think because I didn't fail the consistency, because me, I've already read through the consistency, so I didn't fail because of the consistency. I failed because I blew the account.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I feel like buying one, but the consistency rule, no go. No, why you gonna give me consistency? You don't give me title already. Don't lose also some amount. Why you not give me consistency rule for this? What you consider you for that? No, now. This way. Crystals, what's up? Crystals.
I didn't know your issue.
What's up now?
I didn't work, Jerry.
Okay, yeah. Well done, my brother. Well done, sir. My brother, Oluwa say for me, share what pass. Good morning to you, sir. No, be deriv. No be deriv, but deriv is there. Now blue funded will they talk. Blue funded problem.
Okay.
Now blue funded.
Yes, I want to ask that my mobility and what's
Bello Junior.
When talk say him blowing account, I want to ask for that person. Is he only for the profit? Hello, will you please hold on?
Hello?
Is it only is the consensus rule meant for only profit?
It's always meant for lot size. They can control your lot size now.
That's the I have problem because for this one, 50 now, the least lot size is small.
They can control your lot size. They know the maximum lot size you can open.
That means you go hard to say open.
You can. There are some people that stack up position.
Stacking.
You can only stack up 5 positions per trade. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Let's say you're on this volatility 50 now. You cannot open more than 5 positions on that volatility 50.
Wow. Well, me I know they open 5 positions, sir. I don't even get you with that one. But the consistency rule here, now then me I go get you.
Sorry, which broker is that one you're talking about? Is it another broker?
No, it's problem.
Okay, on which broker?
Problem for synthetics.
Okay.
And that's the only problem for now that I know. I hope other prophets too can actually add the reef. I hope.
Sorry, Rachel.
Yeah.
The prophet you're talking about, is it the that have the prophet?
No, be the reef get time. But you trade synthetics on that prophet.
Okay.
Only synthetics.
Okay. But they're not like the reef synthetics now.
No, you see normal the reef synthetics. The normal peer that you are trading.
It's not the that the prophet name is Blue Funded.
Blue funded.
Yes. But the this thing, they do this thing, they give both this thing synthetic and other currency pairs, but it depends on the one that you want to choose.
Okay, they do currency pairs too.
Yes, everyone you just have to choose the one that you want. But they are this thing, the consistency rule is it bad? The thing is you don't have to make more than how many percent that you're supposed to make anytime you take a trade, every single trade or every single day. Like for example now, if you buy instant funded, they get 20% consistency rule, which means any day where you trade, you're not supposed to make more than 20% of your profit target.
Okay.
The same thing with their phase one, like one phase. Let's say 30% they get for their two phase, they get 50% for them. So this thing good though. You get one of my guy where they use them. The guy said don't get payouts for there like almost 2 times.
Are you sure?
Good well. Yes, I saw. Alright.
Is it the person that you know?
I know the person, like me and the person they talk.
And you don't catch out like 2 times.
We talk like 2 times. They don't get issue. Say waiting they make other this problem they too they shit people now based on those news of 18. They go easily tell you say you done the trade during the news period and all those things. But this one now for synthetic now, that one no dey. The only problem where they did and that's that consistency, which means if you manage the account well, you don't go push am. And again, we say another thing when they did, we say if you buy the instant funded, they get this thing trading drawdown. You know what the trading drawdown mean now?
Yeah.
Meaning if you, let's say for example now you take first trade,
Yeah.
you can make like that 20%. If you want to take trade again now, your drawdown should be counted from that current balance.
From that current balance. Wait, is it current balance for the day or current balance for the week?
No, like if let's say you buy something like 5,000 accounts now, then you don't take trade. Let's say your profit target should be around that kind of maybe 400. You don't take trade, go make like 20% of 400. Then your profit target now, that 20% of 400 now should be around how much? Let me check. 20% of 400 should be around
Is that not 80? 80?
Look at the talk with the talk share.
Okay.
So next time now, if you want to trade now,
Yeah.
if you lose trade,
Yeah.
instead of your drawdown to be minus according to the account size.
No.
5,000 correctly.
It go be for the main balance.
It will now be calculated. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
I understand. But there are some platforms that they do that on a daily basis. Any balance for the day, you must not lose the percentage. Let's say overall is 10%. You must not do 10% of that balance of that new day.
That was still the last. Normally now, people when they take synthetic, for example, now someone like me, now when they take trade every day, sometimes in a week I take just one trade or two. You understand? Because I only go for lower time frame.
Okay.
You know, once I can go is 4 hours. So that's one time where you go take trade now. You come on and maybe like 1 day or 2 days.
Okay.
If you know every day trade like that, if you take like 4 days, you go pass the account or 5 trade, you go pass the account, 5 trade, you go pass the account.
What I've concluded on based on the consistency, the best thing to do is to have a big account, something like 15K upward. That 5K is not going to, for somebody like ratio that is risking $50 per trade. Is not going to be visible for that kind of profit. Yes, it's not going to be visible on 5K account.
The account size now according to your level now.
Yes,
yes,
but it's not that expensive.
It's true.
But it's not that expensive.
It's true. But for instance from them, they don't get 15K. If I see my 10K the highest for the instance from them.
Okay.
Now 10K the highest. And if you want like phase 1 and phase 2, for phase 2 and phase 1, you can see even up to 100K.
But that phase 1 and phase 2 is more better.
See, instead of me to buy phase 1, I rather buy instance from that guy. That's not almost the same thing.
Okay.
Alright. Check out. Okay, now there you there. Check out. You go see him. Now the same room.
No, now my.
Phase 1 and this thing.
I will go and check now. I will go to the side now. I'm trying to reply Benny Good. Benny Good, can you see it? Benny Good, can you see it?
Where's Anike?
Benny Good. Okay, I think it's network.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Hello.
Can you see it? Are you there?
Which platform is this?
You are asking for training, and I'm telling you that this is my mentorship class. This is a what do they call themselves? For discount price. I have a group class for 50.
Okay.
Online one-on-one is $100.
Okay.
So that is that.
So what kind of strategy are you using?
All kind. My strategy is simple way of trading. I follow the trend. I trade what I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't have Hello.
Yeah, what do you say?
I said, don't you have your own office? If someone want to meet you.
For now, I never get office. My house is my office.
Okay. So
Online is my office for now.
Your training are online.
My training are online for now. But if you are doing, I have a student, only one student that I did one-on-one. So I'm actually done with that, my brother. So if I'm doing that, I charge very high for that. I charge high on that.
Okay. The one-on-one, how many times in a week, and how long is the training going to last?
For this one that I showed you?
Yeah, the one-on-one now.
Let me get it right. Which one-on-one? Online one-on-one or face-to-face?
Face to face now.
No, that one is 3 months. My normal, that one is 3 months.
Okay, the face to face.
Yeah, 3 months. Then 3 times in a week.
How much does it cost?
I know I cannot disclose that. Yeah, it depends on our discussion.
Okay, so where is your location?
Lagos.
Okay. 3 months.
Yes, sir.
What about the one-on-one online?
For now, that's why I just showed you now. The one that I showed you now, I'm running a discount for that. So the discount I'm running.
How long is it going to last now? That is what I want to know.
2 months.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 month program.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please let's tap and share.
Yes.
So let us go to the site. Let's go and check the blue funded together, guys.
Richard, now this thing, now volatility 51 service, no normal 50 minutes.
This one where we do, Abi? No, ordinary 50.
Yeah, ordinary 50.
Ordinary 50.
That blue funded. Yes. Time be that one with the ups.
So let us check their distance together. Please let us tap. Bello Junior say yes, we get office. Now online be our office. Don't worry, Rachel is going to have office very soon. I just need more. Plenty things there, Daddy. Don't be small money to set up office for now. So now, this is it.
Sorry. Yes.
This is.
But you know that Chris,
yeah.
the blue funded is not all peer that is on blue funded. For phase one and for those this is that I did, it's not all volatility that is on blue funded.
Blue funded.
I don't think so.
They restrict some that you cannot put.
You can check now. You know the one you can. The rules is
Yes.
very clear. They don't have anything.
Yeah, it's
they
clear.
don't get any hidden rules.
So yeah, they are telling us that the consistent weekly payout cycle withdraw profits on a fixed weekly schedule. Once payout conditions are met, no surprises, no changing rules. Execution based evaluation. Okay, this one no need. Scalping capital allocation. Grow your account. Grow your account size over time by maintaining consistency and respecting drawdown. Same condition every trading day. Street risk framework. Okay. Now let us check the prices here. What's in this? So for 5K is $45. $45.
You big challenge. It's challenge you pick.
Yeah, this one is like phase 2.
It's competition. It's
So it's
competition.
phase 2.
Maybe you should pick
See instant for down.
instant, then
For now.
instant.
Okay, this is phase 2. $39.
Yes.
So the profit target is 8%, 5% for second phase. The maximum drawdown is too small.
It's too small now.
That is 4%.
4%.
It's too small. So if anybody is buying a prop firm, do you know what you should be doing next time? If they give you a maximum drawdown like this, you will now break it into 2. So instead of you to be risking 1%, you should be risking 0.5, so that you will know that at least you will have 8 trades. 8 trades will give you asset that can take out this maximum drawdown. So that's how I do. So the overall is 6%. 6% overall. Profit split 80-20, leverage 1.5, minimum 20 days, 4 days. Okay. Where are we going to see the content?
Go down.
Okay, so here we have a flex challenge.
You will not see it here.
And we not see it here yet. The flex challenge. The profit target is 10%. Just one this thing, you are good. But the maximum is 3%. Overall is 8%. So they reduce the maximum, the max daily here. Okay. I like this one. This one is just only phase 1. That's under this flex. It's just only phase 1.
Only phase 1, yes.
It's only phase 1.
You are under competition.
No, it's not competition. It's under flex.
See flex challenge trading rules. If you click it, it will bring it up.
I don't click on. This is for step 1 now. Step 1 is $50.
No, go under those account size. There's a long route. This look at it. If you click this synthetic trading rules, look at it under synthetic trading rules.
For step 1 challenge, so the daily drawdown is end of day balance equity. So they use every day to calculate your this thing. That's what they do. Everyday balance.
Any day where you trade, like any trading day, right? So you see, I'm the thing good somehow.
So if you are not careful, you need to take you need to check this very well, especially on that daily drawdown and maximum drawdown. So any balance where you use close for that day, the new balance now they go use calculate the maximum daily drawdown. No be for the account size.
Let your music taste shine with premium. Most
Yeah, maximum payout is 5%. Only first payout. Okay, you need to make 5% before they give you a first payout.
skips and repeats.
Then I love this their payout cycle. That means every 7 days, every week we can collect some money. Consistency rule is there.
And then they pay immediately,
See you.
like once you place withdrawal. Lot size rules.
This lot size, they are the one that will control it by themselves. Let's say you can open 5 positions. You know you can open 5 positions.
Yeah.
You can open 5 positions. This thing. So they will calculate. Let's say you open the smallest one. That's the maximum you can open. You can open one position for those calculated 5 positions.
For example now, as long as say you can open 5 positions, and
Yes.
maybe you are using the minimum lot size, you can open 5. You can open 2.
Yes.
You can open 3.
You can
Depending
open,
on
Yes, depending on this thing. But you can't open more than 5. Even if you press it, if you are pressing it, you'll be closing it. If you are pressing it, you'll be closing it.
But the thing where people supposed to take note of, you see this maximum daily drawdown, Yeah, they say it's static. Static means it is based on that account 6%.
Yes.
But
For two.
yeah,
Is
for
it two
phase
step?
two.
Is it two step? Phase two.
But
Yes,
phase
now.
four,
It's
phase one
static.
is trailing. Phase one is trailing.
If you don't eat it, you boss.
You don't eat TP. TP1 Abi.
Phase two is that.
Yes.
Phase two is that. Phase two is that. Phase two is that. This thing.
That one is tactic.
6%. Now phase two good pass. If you want the.
Now,
If you just want to do this, just
yes.
do phase two.
Phase two,
And
now you
cheap
good pass.
too. But it will take you time.
It go take time, yeah. It's fit
And for
pass.
phase two now, if you make any amount where you won't make,
No, yeah, consistency rule is there.
It's there. It's there.
Consistency rule
Always
is there.
like I mean like your this thing, your funded this thing,
Okay.
your funded phase. Don't be like one trade. Don't be like one trade. Once they don't fund you, if they make money, they go. They will take care of steady.
Okay.
The phase two good, well, like
Chris.
Well, because of this, like, I make me not like problems.
I swear, all these things now why me too I no like am. Along the rules to it's true now.
So just stay on the door like this man. They better now. Like this man, you don't want to see what who this and they go back you account.
Wallah, it's very frustrating, Jerry.